wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 21, 22, 23. There's one missing. Oh, hey, Fluffy. Did you see my 24th Kinder Egg? Did you take it? Is it maybe over there? Yeah? Is that where you saw it? Okay, then I'll just check over there. Oh. Wait. Fluffy! You took my Kinder Egg! Woof. Kids. Don't ever let your dog eat your Kinder Egg. That's not gonna be a good poop. Uh-oh. Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!